We love fried food. The problem is it's fried in oil. Lots and lots of oil, and that means added calories. What if you could eat the fried foods you love without the guilt and extra calories from oil, but still enjoy that same amazing taste? Now, from the #1 air frying brand in the US, Eric Thies here with my all-new PowerXL Vortex Pro air fryer. My 7-in-1 revolutionary kitchen miracle that fries with a vortex of superheated air instead of oil for up to 80% fewer calories. Imagine enjoying mountains of piping hot French fries, crisp, snap-apart onion rings, or golden fried chicken wings without the guilt of deep frying. Just one touch for crispy golden brown French fries in 12 minutes. Delicious prawn scampi right from frozen in 10 minutes. Or air fry steak, cooked to perfection in just 10 minutes. The secret is in the built-in fan that creates a 360-degree vortex of superheated hot air, completely surrounding food with air, not oil, for golden brown crispy results every time. And here's my favorite part. My new PowerXL Vortex Pro has a cook and look window, so you can easily check on your food. Look, with other air fryers, you can't see what you're cooking. You can end up burning dinner. But with my PowerXL Vortex Pro cook and look window, you always see what you're cooking without ever breaking the cooking cycle for delicious results every time while using up to 45% less energy. There's a specifically designed vented basket too. Watch. All that fat and grease just drips away from the food to the container below. Then just pop the basket right in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. All right, here's the ultimate test. Look, here's some chicken I bought at a local store. Here is some chicken that I air fried. Watch what happens when I press down with the paper towels. Oh man, look at all that grease. Who wants that? I don't. The 7-in-1 PowerXL Vortex Pro air fryer has 7 different cooking functions. Air fry, grill, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and defrost. Mealtime has never been easier. Spend less time cooking and more time on what matters the most. Make simple yet sensational schnitzel with just one touch. Loaded tots topped with mountains of goodness. And here's one the kids will love, air fried donuts. You get all that delicious flavor with up to 80% fewer calories from fat. Fish tacos that taste like fresh catch of the day. Need a party pleaser? Try my bacon wrapped pigs in a blanket. Look at that! No more waiting for frozen food to thaw. Now you can cook delicious meals the entire family will love right from the freezer. Frozen mozzarella sticks to ooey gooey goodness in just 6 minutes. Frozen chicken tenders to kid-approved deliciousness in just 14 minutes. Or frozen coconut prawn to crispy crunchy in only 12 minutes. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, even dessert. Make a quick and easy fluffy breakfast frittata. A black bean burger for a light lunch. Sticky soy pork chops for dinner, or a delicious cobbler for dessert. Roasted vegetables bursting with flavor, or delicious cauliflower curry. There's a super bright, easy to read LED screen. Just press for easy one-touch cooking. Even an automatic shut-off timer and a shake reminder, so food is always cooked to perfection. With our busy lives, it's so easy to forget about what you're cooking. But my PowerXL Vortex Pro air fryer makes it so easy. When you hear the beep, just shake the basket for crispy, crunchy, golden brown results. My PowerXL Vortex Pro air fryer is completely going to revolutionize the way you cook. But don't just take my word for it. Take a look at what some of these real users had to say.
So good. The PowerXL Vortex Pro air fryer is so versatile and easy to use. You're gonna use it every day. Time to eat.
The PowerXL Vortex Pro air fryer has been a life-changing for me and my family. It is one-touch cooking. It is so easy to clean. It is easy to use. It has a different fun recipes for the family, so it doesn't make it boring. You have different options. It is compact, so it is easier to store, or you can just leave it right on your counter because it has an attractive design. And if you're a busy mom like me, it took less than 20 minutes from start to finish, and this was cooked with air and no oils. Let's take a look.
This machine is very efficient, very fast, does not use oil, only air, to give that fried effect. You get food that tastes and looks just like it's fried, but it is done with air. This is juicy, moist, tender, crispy, all at the same time. Amazing.
With my PowerXL Vortex Pro air fryer, it's never been easier to make air-fried foods your family will love with up to 80% fewer calories from fat. Just one touch to make delicious lamb burgers, nutritious crab cakes that aren't dried out. It's the best for deviled eggs, the perfect plate to share at a party. Salmon cooked to perfection, golden brown chicken empanadas. How about a delicious bratwurst sandwich? Or a stuffed cheddar bacon burger? Oh man, that looks incredible. My PowerXL Vortex Pro air fryer replaces your deep fryer, grill, oven, toaster oven, dehydrator, egg cooker in one compact countertop powerhouse.